You may have seen in other videos how we use the left and mid functions to extract the account number and account name from a combined account name and number field. But what if you don't have the same number of digits in your account number? Well, you can look for a common factor within the account name and number field, where in this instance, every account name and number has a space separating the account name and number. Sometimes there's some other kind of delimiter, like a dash or a tab. So what we can do is, to pull the account number, I'm going to take everything from the left of this cell until I find a space within this cell. And so that is going to give me my account number. Likewise, if I want to go to the middle of the cell and say, hey, find a space within this cell, and then give me everything to the right of it, I can pull my account name. And so that's how I can use the find function in conjunction with left and mid to extract my account number and account name field.